Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about magnetostatic material. Magnetostatic effect is first discovered by James Prescott Joule in 1842. You can also call Joule effect. Here I am consider a ferromagnetic material is put in between the magnetic field. Here is north pole and south pole. Here is north and south pole. And that condition they are attract to each other. So this ferromagnetic material is going to be contract due to the magnetic field. But here just reverse. Here is south pole and north pole, and this one is fixed. In that condition, then those material are is going to be repulsed to each other. So that condition is ferromagnetic material is going to be expand. So I am right here magnetostatic material change their shape when subjected to a magnetic field. You can show here. I am already discussed this. A common example of the magnetic static effect in everyday life is humming noise emitted by electric transformation. Like here, you can show we find that we have a random oriented this magnetic field, random oriented this magnetic field, all the direction about the atoms together. So here you can show here when we try to apply magnetic field, we can see that the entire magnetic material either expansion and contraction. Here, so here all material are provided in same direction. Here we are simply showing expanded part. Here showing expanded part. This one is total change on this shape. When the line along with the direction of magnetic field, so all direction of magnetic field in same direction, so his body going to be deformed, yes, change his shape. So you can show here some strain on this body. So I am right here also. The deformation of magnetostatic material is characterized with the magnetostatic coefficient, which express the fraction length change upon applying a magnetic field. Here I am consider most popular and simple model to explain the behavior of magnetostriction is ellipsoid model. You can show here. Here is a randomly oriented, and in horizontal direction magnetic field is 0, but if you apply in same direction, here applies in horizontal direction is magnetic field, so that condition is body going to be expand in that. So his so here some strain on this body. The magnetic domains are represented by ellipsoid with the magnetization direction pointing along the major axis and minor axis. So you can show here is the major and minor axis. When I am consider here without pre-stress and with pre-stress, here is pre-stress on both sides. So you can see here clear change on this when the pre-stress are there. The change even more significant along the major axis. Yes, compare of both without and with press. Here is more change compared to without pre-stress along the major axis, which we do not have pre-stress. The magnetic field can generate suddenly. The expansion is nothing but strain part. When the pre-stress there, that means all these ellipsoid element is in rubbish contact when is apply pre-stress. Under the external magnetic field, ellipsoid rotate and causes change of dimension. The ellipsoid model can also be used to explain the effect of pre-stress and magnetostriction. Applying a pre-stress make the ellipsoid rotate away from the stress. You can show here, here. Then if magnetic field is applied in this direction, applied stress, the resulting magnetostriction will be lower than that without pre-stress. Thank you.